Hello everyone and welcome to another midweek snack. We have our bowl of snacks on the table and yeah, we're just gonna jump right in here and see what we get. How about we go through the top, dig around a little bit, just get right what do we okay. Got a Stroopwafel. It feels like it's been a while since we've done a Stroopwafel. So Salty's caramel. Salty's caramel. I'm not making this stuff up. 150 calories, 450 milligrams amino acids, 150 milligrams sodium, no caffeine. Let's get our nutritional label here if you're interested in that sort of jazz. Ingredients list down below. I do love a good Stroopwafel. You can either eat these obviously out of the package, or if you prefer, get your cup of coffee or maybe some tea and set this on top of it to warm it. Yeah, it's not bad. Average flavor, not anything to write home about. There's definitely more salt in this than what you would traditionally have for most of the other waffles, so it does bring a little bit more of a salty edge to it. Caramel is not a very strong flavor, but it's present. A little bit of crunch to that waffle, not much. Tiny bit of aftertaste, which isn't really off-putting. You can snack that down in no time. You get a little boost, a little energy, amino acids for the rebuild, all that good stuff. So again, GU, Energy Stroopwafel, Salty's, I'm just reading it, Salty's caramel, or caramel for you crazy people. So there we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all of you who have subscribed already, you guys are superstars. Thank you very much. And if you haven't, become a superstar by subscribing today. We will catch you on the next one. See ya.